Today guys, I want to find out if using engine oil flush is safe in a modern engine, also beneficial. Make sure you follow the directions of Motormedic Motor Flush. Now we're going to add this to a cold engine, then we'll allow it to run for 5 minutes, only at idle. Do not raise your RPMs past idle. Once we have used the flush, I'll take a sample of the motor oil and we'll see how much gunk comes out of it. Well, what do you guys think? Have you ever used an engine oil flush? And if so, what were the results? This Motormedic flush definitely looks a lot like transmission fluid. Make sure to let us know what you would like to see in the next upcoming video. This engine doesn't sound all that great and has a vibration. Let's see if this stuff makes a difference. Let's jack up the car so we can drain our oil and get the Motormedic Motor Flush out of the system and get a sample of the oil. Don't forget and drop a comment below letting us know what you think the best motor flush is. Now we'll grab our sample of oil. Next, we'll filter out the sample of oil that we had taken. This way we can get all the gunk out of it. Check out this cup. You can see some contaminants on the cup. Now, let's show you what we got in our filter. I can see contaminants on our filter as well. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.